Hey everybody, this is Vinny with Excel Distance Calculator, home of some of the coolest Excel tools out there. Today I want to go over one of our more popular tool, the IFTA Calculator for Excel. Kind of a little bit of an overview about what we do. All of our tools are built in Excel, and usually we use some third-party API or some additional coding to enhance the current functionality that's native in Excel. In this case, what we are looking at today is our IFTA Calculator for Excel tool. What it does is it will calculate the miles driven by state for a list of addresses. So let me kind of give you an example. If a truck would go from this address in Odessa, Texas to North Carolina, they would have to go through multiple states. So what the tool does is not only calculates the distance between these two locations, but also the miles driven by state. I'm going to show you how it works. We paste the trips, and just kind of going back one step, the reason for this is for IFTA reporting. You know, when you're trying to fill out your IFTA reports for your trucks, whether you have one truck or multiple trucks, one of the things that needs to be done is the miles driven by state, so that IFTA can calculate the tax burden. And my tool assists exactly with that. So again, kind of going back, we paste the trips, the starting address and ending address, and we'll click on calculate. And as you can see, the tool will generate those driving distances, driving times, and also driving distance by state. The way I can do that, I can click on any of the results and it'll tell me that for this trip, these were the miles driven in Texas, so many in Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, South Carolina, and North Carolina. And I can kind of go back to each one of the trips and we'll break down that trip by miles per state. Obviously, as a truck driver, you will need a summary of all of your trips. So what I usually would do or recommend is you enter all the trips for the quarter, and then once you click calculate, you can click on summary, and this will give you all the miles driven by state for the quarter for all the trips that you drove for the during that 3-month period during that quarter. And really it should be as easy as that. You can use this information to file your IFTA. You'll also need your fuel information as well, but most of the work is kind of done via this tool. Really should be as easy as that. To download the tool, just click on the download link in the description of the video. And also, if you've got any questions, feel free to reach out. My phone number and the email are in the description, again, in the video at the end. So feel free to reach out or even to just say hi. Thanks again for watching my video, and until next time.